Shenzhen C-Lux Technology Company is a vertically integrated solver and manufacturer, a smart streetlight, smart pole, smart bench, etc. smart city facilities over 10 years. Exporting over 30 countries, C-Lux has a highly skilled and experienced team of research, manufacturing and sales. The sales team of experienced professionals seamlessly provides personalized, detailed, and prompt support to our clients in Asia, Europe, the Americas, across the globes. Our team of engineers and designers for software and hardware are rich skilled in creating, developing, defining, and testing every parameters of intelligent system platform, smart lighting controlling components, and lighting fixtures. From software system developing, PCBA hardware developing, products appearances design, to finished products testing for the entire process. Our aim is to create world-class products to differentiate themselves to give our clients real advantages. All smart lighting controlling components and fixtures are rigorously tested for performance and longevity. These testing include everything from IoT signal testing, X-ray, thermal shock to aging, high and low voltage, surge impact in our comprehensively equipment laboratories. All our factories are certificated to ISO standards, utilizing the automotive-based production part approval process or PPAP. At the head of our quality team is an experienced QA director, with Western management standard of factory and outside supplier-based QC teams. Production quality is constantly monitored through every stage, and the product has obtained CE, CB, SAA, and ETL certifications. C-Lux headquarters are in Shenzhen of China Technology City with researching and sales department, and factories with a manufacturing department are set up 5,000 square meters at Zhongshan City. To smooth out supply and demand fluctuations, we can offer several supply chain options for ensuring reaching to our clients' safety and timely. These include the XW, FOB safety DP, door-to-door, JIT and VMI, for ensuring products function and quality. To meet up with some customization demands for outdoor project scenarios, C-Lux operates vertical integration business models. From researching, developing and manufacturing of smart lighting controlling components to lighting fixtures body, with full die casting molding tooling design and manufacture to rigorous automotive industry standards. In addition, we produce our own tooling for injection mold plastic part. Equipped with the large-scale powder coating production lines, we can provide corrosion-resistant coatings that withstand up to 3,000 hours of salt spray testing. This ensures our products deliver reliable performance of long lifespan in demanding environments such as coastal ports, frigid and sweltering climates. C-Lux has completed smart lighting controlling devices and lighting fixtures assembly lines for our ODM and OEM customers with standardization and efficiency driven. It has formed a standardized SOP, and each production process is getting guaranteed and inspected. A large customized area within the main Zhongshan factory allows us to process up to 40 feet high for smart pole. We have machines for cutting, forming, welding, sanding and powder coating. C-Lux produces steel poles for applications of outdoor lighting pole, solar pole light, smart pole, landscape lighting pole, etc. These can be formed in a number of different profiles and then seen welded by automated machines that guarantee consistent and robust structures. C-Lux also specializes in aluminum poles for outdoor smart pole light and smart landscape lighting. The large million automatic machine allows us to maintain structural integrity of pole while we process and shape it. We have developed our own aluminum tapering machines that can produce elegant, fluted and tapered shapes. We also have laser cut and acid etch intricate patterns to any design. Our anodizing beds are some of largest in China, capable of processing 40 FTS poles. C-Lux outdoor smart streetlight, smart poles, smart bench, smart city infrastructure, proven to competitively research, design, and manufacture, is your partners of outdoor projects engineering. We are looking forward to serve you.